Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about how to write the electronic configuration, how to draw the electronic structure of atoms. We learned how to write the electronic configuration of the elements from atomic number 1 to 20, means hydrogen to calcium. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the valency. Here it is, valency. It is very important, that is all the atom try to fill its valence shell. Valence shell means the outermost shell of an atom is called the valence shell, and all the atom try to fill its valence shell and to get the electronic configuration like its nearest noble gas. Here, which are the noble gases? There are six noble gases here. There is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. So atoms try to get the electronic configuration like its nearest noble gas, like hydrogen. It try to gain the electronic configuration like its nearest noble gas, helium. Lithium, radium, boron, they do the same, and there are some elements like nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. They try to get the electronic configuration like its nearest noble gas, that is neon. Okay, and to get the electronic configuration like its nearest noble gas, the atom can lose electron, can gain electron, or can share its valence electrons. So the number of electron lose, gain, or shared by an atom to fill its valence shell, that is called the valency of that atom. Let me write the definition first. The number of electron, or you can say electrons also, electron lose, gain, or shared by an atom to fill its valence shell, to fill its valence shell. Valence shell means the outermost shell of an atom which contains electron, right? Or shared by an atom to fill its valence shell is called valency of that atom. Now let us discuss how to find the valency of an element. So here we know that hydrogen, its atomic number is 1, the electronic configuration is 1. As the first, this one electron is present in the K shell. As we know that first shell of an atom get filled by 2 electrons. So either hydrogen can lose 1 electron or it can gain 1 more electron to fill its valence shell to gain the electronic configuration like its nearest noble gas, that is helium. So the valency of hydrogen is 1. So here the valency of hydrogen is 1. Now let me discuss about helium. Atomic number 2, the electronic configuration is 2. As its valence shell is filled, so means the first shell at K shell is contain highest 2 electrons. That's why its valence will be 0. So it will not lose electron, it will not gain electron, it will not share electrons also. Here lithium, the third one, third element, that is lithium. Its electronic configuration is 2, 1. As its valence shell contains 1 electron, so it will lose 1 electron to fill its valence shell like this. In case of lithium, there are 2 shells. The first shell contains 2 electrons and the second one contains 1 electron. So it tries to gain the electronic configuration like its nearest noble gas helium. इसको अपने नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस हीलियम का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन चाहिए। तो देखो ये यहाँ से यहाँ पे कैसे आ सकता है, देखो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर लूज कर दे तो आ जाएगा। It means lithium will lose 1 electron, so its valence will be 1, and lithium will form Li plus ion, right? That is cation. When the atom lose electron, it will form positive ion, that is cation. Let me discuss about beryllium, the fourth atom, that is 2, 2. Its valence will be 2, as it will lose 2 electrons. Same case, boron 5, 2, 3, its valence will be 3. Okay. Next, carbon 6, 2, 4, that's the electronic configuration of carbon. So now the matter is that if the number of valence electron is 4, means the electron present in the valence shell, that is called the valence electron. If the number of valence electron is 4, then the atom will not lose electron to form cation, or the atom will not gain electron to form anion. The atom will share its valence electron. As it contains 4 valence electrons, so it will share its 4 valence electron. So the valency of carbon will be 4. Same like nitrogen 7, that is 2 comma 5. Now the matter is that whether it will lose 5 electrons or it will gain 3 electrons. देखो नाइट्रोजन के लास्ट में क्या है कि 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ठीक है, ये इट इज। अब नाइट्रोजन को अगर वैलेंस शेल को फिल करना है तो आइदर ये 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन छोड़ना होगा या फिर 3 और इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करना होगा, तो फिर 8 हो जाएगा। सो इट इज क्वाइट इजी टू गेन 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स rather than losing 5 electrons. That's why the valence of nitrogen will be 3. And which type of ion will be formed by nitrogen? That is N3 minus, that is Ni. Okay, I am writing it here. That is N3 minus Ni. Right? Let this one is oxygen atomic number 8, 2,6 is the electronic configuration as the valence electron is 6, so it will gain 2 electrons, so valence will be 2. Next, fluorine 9, 2,7, so its valence will be 1, and neon atomic number 10, 2,8, as its valence shell is filled, so it will not lose or gain electrons, so the valence will be 0. Okay. Now I am not writing the electronic configuration again to write the valences. I am just writing the valence of the elements. Okay. I am writing the full chart, right? Hydrogen, helium, let me write it here. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Sodium, magnesium, okay, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. So here the balances are hydrogen 1, helium 0, lithium 1, beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4, nitrogen 5, nitrogen 3, oxygen 2, fluorine 1, neon 0. 1, here 2, it's 3, it's 4, and this one is 3 and 5. There are 2 valences of phosphorus. Try to remember this one. What is the reason? That will be discussed in the higher class. So 3, 5, sulfur 2, chlorine 1, argon 0, potassium 1, calcium 2. So these are the valences of these atoms. Okay. So we proceed to the next topic. Here we are going to discuss about atomic number. Here it is, atomic number. So now what do you mean by atomic number? Atomic number is a number which represents the atom. Means for any atom the atomic number is fixed. Remember this one. कोई एक particular atom के लिए उसका atomic number fixed होता है. So atomic number represents the atom also. So what is atomic number? It means the way it's very well known to all of us that atom has 2 parts. There is one is center, that is called the nucleus. The nucleus contains proton and neutron, whereas the second part, that is shell, it contains electrons. Now the number of protons present within the nucleus of an atom is called the atomic number. So what is atomic number? The total number of protons present within the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number of that atom. ओके, तो कोई एक एटम के सेंटर आई मीन न्यूक्लियस में जितने प्रोटॉन्स होंगे दैट नंबर इज कॉल्ड द atomic number. Suppose it is given that one atom X, it contains 12 protons within its nucleus. So what will be the atomic number of the atom X? The answer is 12. तो एक एटम के पास सेंटर में जितने प्रोटॉन्स होंगे दैट विल बी द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ दैट एटम, राइट? So we can write and remember that the number of proton and number of electrons present within an atom, these are same. एक एटम के पास जितने प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं सेम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं अगर वो एटम है, आयन नहीं है। तो मान लेते हैं कि एक एटम है, चलो मान लो ऐसा क्वेश्चन है, एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट X is 12. Okay, number 1, configuration of X. Number 2, what is the valency of X? Okay. What is the formula of its oxide? Okay. What is the formula of its oxide? So let us discuss about it. So write the electronic configuration of atom X. Here it is. Atom X contains 12 protons. So its electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 2. As it contains 2 electrons in its valence shell, so it will lose 2 electrons to form X2 plus ion. It is very well known to all of us. So this one is the answer of the first question. Then you proceed for the second one. What is the valency of X? As it contains 2 valence electrons, so it will lose 2 electrons. So the valency of X will be, valency of X is 2. Question number 3. What is the formula of its oxide? So oxides are formed when it will combine with oxygen. Here the valence of X is 2 and oxygen is also 2. So 2 to cancel, the formula will be XO. It's not needed to write X, which element is X, that is magnesium, MgO. MgO नहीं लिखना है, यहाँ पे X के फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए बोला गया, तो XO ही लिखेंगे. Next, let me proceed to the next topic, that is mass number. Now, what is mass number? मास देखो एटम का जो सेंटर होता है which contain proton and neutron, and is very well known that is the most of the mass of an atom is present at the center, that is called the nucleus. We already learned it in the Rutherford atomic model कि एटम का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मास एटम के सेंटर में होते हैं. तो मास नंबर मतलब ये डिनोट कर रहा है सेंटर के नंबर. अब सेंटर में कौन रहता है? प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन. तो एटम के सेंटर में टोटल जितने प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन मतलब टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन, इसी नंबर को हम लोग बोलेंगे मास नंबर. तो एटम के सेंटर में प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन मिला के टोटल जितने पार्टिकल्स होंगे दैट विल बी द मास नंबर. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ proton and neutron present within the nucleus of an atom is called mass number of that atom. Clear? The total number of proton and neutron. एक एटम के पास टोटल जितने प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन होते हैं that is called the mass number of that atom. So let me discuss about this. Suppose, okay, ये हो गया, इतना clear है? अच्छा. The total number of proton and neutron present within the nucleus of an atom is called the mass number of that atom. अच्छा. तो suppose क्वेश्चन आपका ऐसा है कि an element, क्वेश्चन है an element X contain 6 protons and 8 neutrons. Okay, number 1, what is the atomic number of X? Number 2, what is the valency of X? And what is the valency of X means? I think this can be solved by yourself. You have to solve it by yourself. There is you can write the electronic configuration, and from there you will get the valency. What is the valency of X and what is the mass number of X? So let us solve these questions. Here it is, the first one, the question number 1. What is the atomic number of X? Atomic number, it is very well known, that is atomic number is the total number of protons. It is given that it contains 6 protons, that is 6. Number 2, what is the valency? So first we have to write the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of X. As it contains 6 protons, so it also contains the 6 electrons, so electronic configuration will be 2, 4. So as it contains 4 valence electrons, we do not lose or gain electrons, so it is shared valence electrons. So valency will be 4. Let us solve the question number 3. What is the mass number of X? Here, mass number of X. Mass number means proton plus neutron. Here number of proton is 6 and number of neutron is given 8. So it is 40. Okay. So thus you can solve these types of questions. So now I am giving you one more question here. This one will be your homework. An element X contain 17 protons and 18 neutrons. Okay, and the questions are same. Okay. What is the atomic number of X? What is the valency of X? And what is the mass number of X? So this question is your homework. You have to solve it by yourself. And in the next class, we will discuss about isotopes, isobar, and isotone, and this will be the very important topics for the next class. So learn after this. We'll discuss about the remaining topic in the next class. Thank you.